So when things start happening and a bunch of stuff happens all at one time and it feels like your world is falling apart, your world is not falling apart. What's happening is your old tower is crashing. The old life that you knew is crashing. That's your opportunity to embrace that and to get rid of anything does not do any good for your higher purpose, and allow the opportunity for your new tower to be built, your new life to be built. Embrace the change. Understand that the universe is pushing you to a different level, and you can hold on to that tower that's crashing and crash with it, or you can embrace it and watch the new tower and opportunity build and be erected right in front of you. This is called change. And sometimes change will come in a lot of different ways, shapes, or forms. It could be financial, it could be job, it could be cars, it could be relationships, it could be anything, and everything could happen at one time. My experience that I'm going through, my old tower crashing, has been very, very intense. But I do see on the other side this new tower that's being built, the tower of opportunity, a tower of abundance, a tower of manifestation, a tower of love, a tower of healing. And keep in mind, you have to feel the heal. So as your old tower is crashing, feel yourself to heal yourself and prepare yourself for the victory that is getting ready to come, because your frequency is increasing and you have to get rid of the old to prepare for the new. So don't look at this tower crashing as that your life is horrible, or that your life is, not going as smooth as you expected. Understand that you sometimes have to shed the old and get ready to prepare for the new. And this is called the transition. This is called moving from the old to the new you. And as we're doing this, especially since the retrograde this just ended, what's going on with the planetary alignment, what's going on with the world itself, there's a lot of old towers being crashed and new ones being built. So along this journey, embrace it and understand that it's happening for a reason, and understand that you have to get rid of whatever is not serving your higher purpose. You know what that is. I can't help you with that, but you know what that is. Go with your gut intuition, your gut feeling, and meditate, ground, and bring in your spirit, your God, your ancestors, whatever it is that you believe in, your source, whatever it is that you believe in. Bring them in, ask for support, and they will show you the light. They will show you the way as you continue to embrace the crash of the tower, the burning of the tower, the release of the old, and embrace the erection of the new, the building of the new tower, the creation of your new life, your reality, the increased frequency that you have within you that the universe is trying to push to you. In life, if you don't do it on your own, the universe is going to do it for you. So keep that in mind. So if your life is in a bad situation right now, if you feel like everything's falling apart, because it is, it's getting rid of the old and preparing you for the new. Now, how you're going to embrace this or how you're going to accept this is up to you. You can hold on to the burning tower and burn with it, or you can let go of the old and hold on to the new and embrace it and enjoy the journey, because it's going to be a fun one for you. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. Have a great day and a Merry Christmas.